All right, we're in home this morning. We're gonna be activating this passive system here. We're about to cut it open, measure some airflow. I'm gonna show you how all that's done. All right, so got the fan hooked up. We're sitting at about 4.2 inches. Let's go take a test point and see what's happening down there. All right, we're out in the garage space. We're gonna drill a small test point. I realize the garage slab is poured on a different slab, and this is gonna have a monolithic footing right here. But if we can get some pressure out here, then I feel confident we've got pressure under the slab side of the home. So let's drill our test point here. Inside is all LVP, so if we don't have to drill a hole inside the house, I don't want to do that. So let's test out here first, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're using an RN2EC fan. You can see we're at 4.8 watts of electricity. Super efficient, super quiet, and this is delivering about minus 20 pascals at our test point. We're gonna begin to wrap this thing up here. All right, so I had to adjust the fan up to 8 watts of electricity because my manometer pressure was like 0.1. So I've bumped it from like 4 watts to 8 watts, and that is delivering about 0.4 inches right here. So I feel comfortable the RSA1 alarm is gonna handle that. It really doesn't like anything below 0.2, so we've adjusted it up so that it all is gonna work and not trip continuously. All right, so here is our fan in the attic. We're all finished up. We put a YouTube up here just for maintenance. We put all of our system indicators down the closet. I'm gonna show you that here in a second, but we've got a Fantech RN2 final wattage. We're operating at 6 watts of electricity right here. Super quiet, very, very efficient fan. This is the finished product. So we put all the system indicators in this closet. It was really difficult to get to in the attic, so we found the vent pipe. We located everything right here so our customer can easily view and hear the audible alarm, view the YouTube manometer, see all the startup parameters, and then if they have any questions, they've got all of our contact information here. So this project turned out really good, really pleased with the results. We had minus 40 pascals of suction on the floor, even at 6 watts of electricity. So I didn't want to set the fan lower, so we're in a good spot.